Hi everyone, welcome to database tutorial. So today we will see that how we can apply filters on our Tableau dashboard, how we can make interactivity in our Tableau dashboard. So first we will see that how we can filter any data by just hovering on the data, and then we will see that how we can apply a single filter to all the sheets in the dashboard, and then we will see that how we can use dashboard actions to filter our data and how we can use parameter actions to filter our data. So let's start the video. So first of all, we will see that how we can use a single sheet to filter out all other sheets based on that sheet. So in my dashboard here, I have word cloud sheet. In this word cloud, these names are of top 10 customers. So based on these top 10 customers, what I want is that whenever I will click on any customer name, details of that customer name only will be visible in all the visuals below that chart. So for that, what I can do, just simply click on the word cloud and click on this filter. So this filter icon, when you will click on this filter icon, use as filter, it will be working as filter, and whenever you will click on any value, you will see that here I have clicked on Tom Ashbrook. So this customer is from which region, from which segment he has ordered, what was the profit which was gained, what was the sale, and what were the subcategories, then from which state it was ordered. So all this information is for Tom Ashbrook only. Now similarly, if I will click on any other name, suppose Hunter Lopez, so this information is for Hunter Lopez, that he has given 5,000 profit and 10,000 sales, and 429 profit for consumer segment in South region, and in copiers was the maximum sales which was done. So like this, we can use any sheet as filter to filter all other sheets. So similarly, I can use suppose the subcategory sales sheet as filter. Now whenever I will click on a value, that value will filter this all other charts will be showing the chair subcategory values only. As we can see that all the visuals are showing chair subcategory only. So like this, we can use any sheet to use as filter for all other sheets. So let's go to our second case. So in our second case, what I want, that I want a single filter to be applied on all the visuals on this dashboard, to whole dashboard. So for that, suppose I want a filter of segment, I will click on this sheet, I will go to drop down, and under filters I will select segment here. So now I have got the segment filter. Currently this segment filter will only filter the sheet of segment sales versus profit and no other sheet. So to apply filter to all other sheets as well, what we can do, click on the drop down here, go to apply to worksheets. What we want, that we want only this dashboard visuals to get filtered with this filter. So for that, I will go on selected worksheets. So from here I will select all on dashboard. So all the visuals which are available on this dashboard will be tick marked, and from here we can choose if you want any custom sheets other than this dashboard also. So for that, what you can do, first click on show all worksheets in the workbook. Now you can choose which sheet you want to be filtered with this. You can tick mark that sheet. So like this, you can manually choose that which sheet you want this filter to be applied. So when you are done, click on OK. Now all these visuals are filtering with this segment filter. So when I will uncheck corporate, only consumer segment is checked, so only consumer details, consumer segment details will be visible in all these visuals. If I will untick, then whole dashboard will be blank, and if I will click on all, then whole dashboard will be uh, filtered according to it. So this is the second case that from here we can also format our filter by going to format, filter and set control. So this I will create another video to show how to format our dashboard. So this is the second case. Now going to the third case. So in our third case, what I want to do, I want to create a dashboard action wherein whenever I will hover on any value in here, that value will start highlighting all the only the values related to that. So suppose here I am highlighting appliances. So all the other visuals will be depicting the values only for this subcategory, and all other will be non-highlighted. So how I can do this? For that, let's go to dashboard action. Now from here, let's first delete the current action here. So go to add action, and from here click on highlight. Under highlight, you can name this highlight also, whatever you want to give the name to this highlight. Now the source sheet, which from which sheet you want the filter to apply. So I want the filter to be applied only from the lollipop chart sheet. So I will just tick mark the lollipop chart here. And how I want to run the action. So I want to run the action upon hover. I can also run the action upon select. So when I will select the value, then that action will be done. So I will click on hover only. And target sheets. So my target sheets are all the sheets here, excluding the word cloud, because in the word cloud just top customer values are there and nothing else. And target highlighting all fields. So here I want to keep all fields only. Now I will click on OK and OK. So now whenever I will hover on this value, copiers, furnish, envelope, fasteners, machines, so all other visuals will be highlighting the values for this subcategory only. So currently, as you can see, this sheet is not highlighting any value, because in this sheet subcategory subcategory field is not available in this sheet, so that's why it's not highlighting. So what I can do, I can put the subcategory field into detail here. And now whenever I will highlight the subcategory here, so in this visual also the values are being highlighted. So for this, what we want, that it is important that whichever field you are choosing to filter out all other visuals, so in all other visuals also this field should be available, or then only those visuals will be filtered out according to this field. Or another case is of a parameter. So in this word cloud, currently I have a static value of top 20 customers in this word cloud. So if suppose I want a dynamic value, sometimes I want top 20, sometimes I want top 10, sometimes I want top 30. So for that, what I can do, for that first let's create a parameter. So go to options and create parameter. So parameter is of top customers. So I will write top here, and my data type is whole number, means integer, and current value is 10, and I can create a list. I can create allow all. So in the list I can write values with the difference of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. These are fine. Now click on OK. So our parameter is created, top parameter. Now I want to connect this parameter. So to connect this parameter, what I can do, first filter out the customer name. So I have already put the customer name into filter. I will remove it. Now I will put customer name into filter. So now here what I want to put a top condition. So I will go to top and I want to, in here, by instead of static value of 10, I want to put a parameter of top. So my parameter was created with name top. So I will click on the put the parameter here. So top by this parameter. So whatever value will be feed in this parameter, that number will be coming here. So if I will put top in the parameter, I will put 15. It will mean that top 15 value they want. If I will put 10, then it will mean that top 10 value I want. So here after selecting the parameter by which field I want, so I want top 10 by sales only, by sum of sales. So I will keep it this only. I will click on OK here. So now let's click to show our parameter. From the options, go to show parameter. Now whenever I will click on a value, 10 it will show top 10, 15 it will show top 15, 30 it will show top 30. So like this I can create a dynamic parameter, dynamic value to whatever value we'll put in that filter, that number of values will be coming in this visual. So now I will go back to my dashboard and I will click on the parameter and I will click on top parameter. So this parameter will be visible here. Now whenever I will change the parameter number, the top values of my word cloud will change. So with this parameter we can use in our Tableau dashboard, and a user who is consuming this dashboard, he can simply click on the parameter of top and he can choose that which number of top number he want to see in this word cloud. So we have seen our 4 cases to create an interactivity in our Tableau dashboard. In under a summary, we can see that our first case was using a sheet as a filter. So for that we can simply click on the filter icon, which means that it will be used as a filter for all other sheets. Our second case was that we can simply use a filter and we can click on to apply all the worksheets or the worksheets which we want to only that worksheet. We can apply this filter and the whole dashboard will be filtered according to this filter. Our third case was the dashboard action. So in the dashboard action, I have created a highlight action wherein whenever I will hover on a value, all other visuals will be highlighting just the value for that category and nothing else. And our last case was for the top parameter, that when I have created a parameter here, so the user can change the number here for top number and our word cloud will be showing that top number only. So like this we can make our Tableau dashboard a interactive Tableau dashboard. So that's it for today. If you have any queries, you can simply ask in the comment section, and for more such updates, don't forget to subscribe this channel. So meet you next time. Till then, take care and happy learning.